Hello, I'm going to be using the Pear Deck app along with PowerPoint Online to create a formative assessment for student use. I'm going to show you how to use Pear Deck from both the student and the teacher view. This right here that you're looking at is the teacher view, and over here would be the student view. And what you need to do is you need to go on to PowerPoint Online, create a PowerPoint, and then you can use the Pear Deck app to add interactive Pear Deck slides. You can use text slides, choice slides, number slides, draw slides, draggable slides, etc. And then once you have that created, you hit Present with Pear Deck. It'll give you the opportunity to make it a student-paced activity where it's more of a quiz. The students take it on their own pace, or you can use the instructor-paced activity where all the students are working together and do it in real time. I'm going to go ahead and use the instructor-paced activity. Now, it launches the PowerPoint app. As you can see, it's loading. Now, it brings up a code that the students need to enter. Over here on this screen, the student screen, I already have it pulled up to the joinpd.com screen, so I'm going to enter the code. That is YTFJUH. And then you enter that, and then of course the student has to sign in, and now they are on the Pear Deck. You can give a happy face, sad face. We'll give them a happy face and move on. Now, there is the view of the PowerPoint from the teacher view, and here is the student view. I'll go ahead and start the app right here. I'm going to go to the next slide, which is an interactive slide. Comes up, which state is this? And they need to fill out an answer here. So this, of course, is Montana. So I will enter in Montana. This is a formative Pear Deck that I use for geography skills and to check and see if the school or if the students are understanding and learning their states. I enter that, and then once that is entered, the teacher can go ahead and show the responses. As you can see right here, that is my response for Montana. That's the teacher view, and this is the student view. Now the teacher can go through all of their slides. You can hide the responses if they want and don't show it to the other students. And go through the next slide. Here's the next slide from the student view, Montana. So everyone sees that Montana was the next state. Now we go to the next slide. It asks once again, which state is this? So this is Wyoming. So the student would enter Wyoming. And then the teacher can see the responses. As you can see, there is my response from the student view. It's a great interactive tool to see how the students are learning the states. You can also use it for math, you can use it for English, any other subject that you want to have an interactive presentation. All right. And as you can see, you just keep going through the slides. Whichever slides you have created, there's the answer slide, Wyoming. The student sees that as well. All right. You continue doing this for as many slides as you have. I'm just going to go ahead and stop here. As you can see, this is how it keeps going. And then, of course, when the teacher wants to end the slide or end the presentation, they can hit end. You can save it or end it without naming, which is what I'm going to do here. And as you can see, from the student view, it asks, how did it go? You can hit green or red. In this case, I'll say that it went well. And the teacher has ended the session, and that is the end of your Pear Deck session. This is a great app, as I said, for instant feedback and drill and practice sort of lesson instruction.